Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is finding the relative complement. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. Before we go on to the questions, let's understand the concept of relative complement. The relative complement of two sets is an operation similar to subtraction. The symbol for this operation is a minus sign. How we find out the relative complement is starting with the first set, you remove every element that appears in the second set to arrive at their relative complement. So we write the two sets for which you have to find out the relative complement. We remove every element that appears in the second set, and whatever is left in the first set is the relative complement. Let's do the first question. We're given the universal set, set A and set B, and we have to find out relative complement of A in B. For that, let's write down the set A equals to 0, 3. The elements of B are 0, 1. Now we have to find out relative complement of A in B. So we remove every element that appears in the second set to arrive at their relative complement. So we remove every element and we are left with number only element 3. So relative complement of A in B is given by set which contains element only number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Solve. We are given the universal set. We are given set A, set B and set C. We have to find out C in A, that is relative complement of C in A. So we write down the set C contains element 6 while A has 2, 3. As per the definition, we do away with the elements of A to find out C in A, and none of them also matches with C, so we cancel them out and we're left with only number 6. So C in A is given by element 6. This is the answer and can be seen in option C. Let's try the next question. Solve. We are given the universal set U, set A and set B, and we have to find out the relative complement of A in B. A is 0 and B is 7. We have to find out A minus B. For that we cancel out the element of B and we are left with only element 0. This is the final answer and can be seen in option B. I hope finding the relative complement is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.